Hello, my name is Jennifer, and I did the Flow State 300-hour yoga teacher training. My favorite part was probably the chakra healing series. I had a lot to heal within, and that series really helped me break through all of that which I was holding on to and truly deeply heal it. And I can't wait to use that healing to pass on to others. We have a couple of places in and around the town that I live in here in New Orleans to help with recovery, and I'm hoping to use this training to pass on to those who are in recovery to heal all those deep wounds so they can stay in recovery. I cannot thank Dashama and this program enough, and I truly, genuinely appreciate you. Thank you so much. Namaste.